Alright, here's my video walkthrough of the current state of the truck. Of course, we have the toolboxes. All the doors are labeled. All the tools in them. So that works out perfect. Anything I may need. So know right where everything's at. Great. Label maker, portable socket set. 12-volt jumper, great for jumping off the small planes. Drills, wire repair, network cable kit. Then the bottom shelf, if you pull this out, on this side, we have the complete wire repair kit, torque wrench, calibrated. Our tapes, glues. So put that back. See in here, just got some buckets for fuel, drip pan for the oil. So they never call you for a fuel leak. And when you get out there, you never have a bucket. So make sure I put some buckets on here so I can catch some fuel, messing around with starters and stuff, catch the oil. Small ladder, which I needed. Creeper that also doubles as a little rolling stool. My jaw horse, which is a great vise if you need to hold something together while you're out on the road. Of course, that's the power cable. Then we got the generator, a couple fire extinguishers, extension cords, light. A chair in case I feel like being lazy and I want to just set my butt down. Over here we have an oxygen bottle, to back up the spares. If I have to use these, then I know my other ones are empty. So just a little air tool, blower, grinder. You gotta turn that back in. Extra air hose, retractable air hose, air compressor, extra oxygen line, extra static line. Over here I don't have anything in here yet, so I'm thinking this will be where my Bowsers and TKS fluid and all the extra heavy equipment can go. Over here, my little consumable with my oils, hydraulic fluid, Skydroll, some wire, my extra nitrogen and oxygen bottle in case I need it for servicing. These are my primaries, only because they're easier to change than the other two. And then the oxygen nitrogen regulator kits down in the bottom. So that's the current configuration.